Hey everyone, just a quick video. I haven't put anything out in a while, and I just wanted to let you guys know that the Subaru is done, and I will be putting out a full video on that coming up. I'm working on it. I was working on it last night and ran into a few issues with the editor, and it had a few problems, but we're getting everything taken care of. Now we worked on the lighting and sound and everything like that, so we're getting better. So I just want to drop this off to you guys, let you know where we're at.